exercise 6.3. In this question, this is similar to question number 12, but this is important. Sides AB and AC and median AD. Again, this is median, so this is equal to this. Median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and PM median. This is also median. Now the difference is you have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now the difference in question number 12 and question number 14 is there they have given this side proportional. So it was easy for us to directly solve it because it is 2 times now. This side is proportional, so we have done half. So directly we can prove these smaller triangles similar, and so this angle was equal. So it was very easy to prove that the bigger triangles are also similar. But in this case they have not given this side, but they have given AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. So here we have to do a little construction work. What construction we have to do here? We have to extend AD and PM. AD and PM to point, suppose E and L, such that AD is equals to DE and PM is equals to ML. Then we join B2E and C2E. We join this. Here also we join Q to L and R to L. This we have to do construction here. Now, as you all know, we know that medians divide opposite side. Therefore, BD is equals to DC. We know that median divides opposite sides. Therefore, BD is equals to DC and QM is equals to MR. Also, AD is equals to DE and PM is equals to ML as per construction. So you can look here, this quadrilateral ABEC, in quadrilateral ABEC, these are diagonals AE and BC bisect each other because these are equal. So AE and BC bisect each other at D. So therefore ABEC is a parallelogram because in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So ABEC is a parallelogram similarly, and since it is a parallelogram, so you all know that opposite sides will be equal then because ABEC is a parallelogram. So AB is equal to CE and AC is equals to BE. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AB is equals to CE and AC is equals to BE हो जाएगा because these are the sides of opposite sides of a parallelogram. And similarly, you can prove for this triangle. Similarly, P PQLR is a parallelogram so PR is equals to QL and PQ is equals to LR. Okay, now what we have done, we have constructed and then we have proved that this and this is a parallelogram, and since these are parallelograms, so opposite sides are equal. Now according to this relation that they have given, in this relation we will put the values like AB upon PQ hai, so AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR, so AC in place of AC you can put BE also because these are equal. So let me erase the board, then we will continue. Okay, so now it was given that AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. It is already given. So in place of AC, we can put BE upon PR. In place of PR, we can put QL. And AD upon PM, if I will do 2 times AD and 2 times PM, it will not affect our equation because we are multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator both. So now this equation will be modified as AB upon PQ is equals to BE upon QL is equals to 2 times AD is AE. Look at the figure, and 2 times PM. 2 times PM is PL. So this is equal. So according to this, since AB upon PQ is equals to BE upon QL is equals to AE upon PL. So that means we have proved all the 3 sides of this triangle proportional. So therefore, we have proved here that triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL by SSS criteria, by SSS similarity criteria. And since these 2 triangles are similar, so their angles will be equal. So corresponding angles will be equal. So in this triangle, this angle is equal to this. Angle BAE is equal to angle QPL. Let it be first equation, and reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. So this angle we have proved, and similarly you can prove this angle also equal. That means similarly you can write similarly angle CAE will be equal to angle RPL. Let it be second equation, because we can prove that triangle, जैसे हमने अभी ये प्रूव किया ट्रायंगल AB is similar to triangle PQL, ABE PQL के similar है. Similarly we can prove that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRL. No need to prove it again and again. You can write similarly, because once we have proved, so this will also be equal. So now add equation 1 and 2. So angle BAE plus this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add these 2 equations. So angle BAE plus angle CAE is equals to angle QPL plus angle RPL. Add these two equations. So angle BAE plus angle CAE will be, look at the figure, angle BAE plus angle CAE will be angle A, or you can say BAC, is equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL is angle QPR. So now after this, what we have to prove? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So now just look at the main triangles that we have to prove equal. This we have proved. So if I remove this construction part, just focus on the main triangle. Just focus on the main triangle ABC and PQR. We have proved this angle equal to this, and we have to prove these two triangles similar. So one angle we have got. What other things? We have to prove these two sides proportional. So it is already given, AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR. It is already given. An angle we have proved by all this parallelogram and all the construction work. So now you can write at last, you will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle BAC is equals to angle QPR as proved above, and angle A is equals to angle P, sorry, that we have proved, and AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR given by SAS similarity criteria. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved.